Hi guys, this is a realistic what I eat in a day as a postpartum mom. These are basic, easy meals, so let's jump right into breakfast. So my husband made eggs and sausage earlier, so I just reheated it up. For breakfast, I usually have a matcha with it, so that's what I'm gonna make right now. I use 5 ounces of rice milk, and then my husband makes a simple syrup, just sugar and water. I should do like 6 grams. Perfect. And then let's go make the matcha. I don't mind the mess, but I got my matcha bowl. Matcha. And I already have my hot water at 150. Babe. And I'll do about 30 grams of hot water. Now we can come and whisk her up. And then pour it in. And then I'll put a couple pieces of ice. And that's it. Mix her up and she's done. My egg, my 3 sausages, my matcha, and usually I have some sort of water. The best matcha ever. For our eggs, we don't season them, we just eat them plain, and that might be a crime, but it just, I don't know, I love the taste of egg. The healthiest lunch, but it's still amazing. We got chicken tacos with some lettuce, tomato, green sauce, homemade sour cream, and then we got some carne asada fries, so some fries and chuck roast and cheese, tomatoes, cream sauce, and sour cream. So I don't usually eat this for lunch, but I'm being transparent and this is what I ate this day. Let me show you a healthier option, if you will. For lunch, I'm just doing like leftover stuff. So there's chicken, we got rice, a little bit of sauce, and a little bit of homemade crema, and a little bit of cheese. I have some beans as well. Some iceberg lettuce I'm gonna chop up. I'm just gonna make like a little taco bowl. I've been trying to make this bowl for the past 15-20 minutes. To hit record when I was doing the lettuce and the cheese. I don't know what my husband put in this green sauce, but it is so good. I could just eat it by itself. I have a midday pick-me-up. It's this matcha drink from Costco, and it has really good ingredients in it. So it's almond milk, dates, green tea, matcha, vanilla extract, spirulina, and pink Himalayan salt. I'm usually not a fan of almond milk, but it's actually not too bad. And because the ingredients are so good, I'm okay with drinking it. It's nice and creamy. The color looks a little off now that I see it down here, but it tastes pretty good. Last meal of the night is rice, ground turkey, and broccolini with a little bit of a Japanese barbecue sauce. This is more of a typical meal that I eat. Stop. Why are you staring? That is basically what I eat in a day. And my goals are to eat more whole, nutritious foods that will nourish my body and that will help me kick off this baby weight that I gained from pregnancy. Honestly, any intricate meals that you see, my husband most likely cooked because he's the chef around here, not me. I don't do chef things. I just cook basic, interchangeable foods, and I get the job done. If you want to see more of a variety of foods that I eat, let me know so I can show you what I eat in a week. But anyways, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye!